Right, what's up guys? Kevin here with VT Off-Road ADV. It's Saturday, it's a chilly one up here in Vermont. I think it's actually about -9 with the wind chill outside and we get a bunch of snow on the ground. But Anaheim 1 starts tonight, A1, and I'm itching to get back on the CRF300L behind me. I watched a video not too long ago that someone had posted about riding motocross boots on the new CRF300L and how it wasn't that comfortable where the shifter lies and the space in between the shifter and the foot peg. So I get a size 9 boot. I'm gonna get outside, go have a rip in the snow and have some fun. So stay tuned, see how it goes. guys, I just got back inside from a rip out back on the CRF300L behind me, and it's just a ton of fun. I had my son out there who's 4 on the snowmobile. He was blasting around, and yeah, it's just good to get outside on the bike, you know. As far as wearing motocross boots and the spacing between the foot peg and the shifter on this bike, it's perfect. I think Honda nailed it. Like I said, I have a size 9 foot, and I was wearing the Fox Instinct motocross boots. I've been running those boots for a while now, at least a couple years. They're awesome boots, and yeah, that's one other thing, guys. Don't cheap out on boots. I've owned the $150 pair of boots. It's just not worth it. Get yourself a nice set of boots, and yeah, enjoy the ride. So thanks for watching this one, guys. I appreciate it as always. Sorry it was a short one, but I just want to get out and have some fun before A1 starts tonight, Supercross. So yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.